Imagine this. Your desk is piled high with bills, bank statements, and receipts. It's a scene that many of us know all too well. The clutter is overwhelming, and it feels like there's no end in sight. Every time you sit down to tackle it, the pile seems to have grown even larger. It's a jungle of paperwork, and you're lost in the middle of it. You try to navigate through the chaos, but it feels like you're just going in circles. Each document demands your attention, and the sheer volume is paralyzing. You wonder how you got here and how you'll ever find your way out. Sound familiar? Many of us struggle to keep up with our finances. It's a common problem, and you're not alone. The demands of daily life make it difficult to stay on top of everything. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, managing your finances can easily fall by the wayside. It's time-consuming, confusing, and frankly, a major headache. The more you try to sort through it, the more tangled it becomes. You spend hours trying to make sense of it all, only to end up more confused than when you started. The frustration builds, and it feels like there's no escape. We're living in the digital age, yet we're still drowning in paper. Despite all the technological advancements, the paper trail never seems to end. You'd think that by now there would be a better way to manage it all. But instead, it feels like we're stuck in the past, buried under a mountain of documents. We spend hours each month trying to make sense of our finances. It's a never-ending cycle of sorting, filing, and organizing. Just when you think you've got it under control, another bill arrives and the cycle starts all over again. It's exhausting, and it takes a toll on your mental health. It's no wonder that so many people feel stressed and overwhelmed about money. The constant pressure to stay on top of everything can be debilitating. You worry about missing payments, incurring late fees, and damaging your credit score. The stress seeps into other areas of your life, affecting your relationships and overall well-being. But what if there was a better way? What if you could break free from the cycle of stress and confusion? Imagine a world where managing your finances was simple and straightforward. A world where you could focus on what really matters without the constant worry about money. What if you could automate your finances and reclaim your time and peace of mind? Automation could take the guesswork out of managing your money. It could handle the tedious tasks for you so you could spend your time on more important things. No more late nights spent sorting through paperwork. No more anxiety about missed payments. What if you could say goodbye to late fees, missed payments, and financial anxiety? Good news, you can. With the right tools and technology, you can take control of your finances like never before. You can streamline your financial management and make it work for you, not against you. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can take control of your finances like never before. AI can help you stay organized, track your spending, and even predict future expenses. It can provide insights and recommendations tailored to your unique financial situation. The future of financial management is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Embrace the change and take the first step towards financial freedom. Let's face it, managing money the old-fashioned way is a pain. It's a tedious cycle of tracking expenses, paying bills manually, and trying to decipher complicated investment reports. It's like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're never quite sure if you're making the right moves. And who has time for all that anyway? We're busy people with jobs, families, and lives to live. The last thing we want to do is spend our precious free time wrestling with spreadsheets and bank statements. The good news is that you don't have to. AI is here to revolutionize the way we manage our money, making it easier, faster, and smarter than ever before. It's time to break free from the shackles of traditional finance and embrace a future where technology does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having a personal financial assistant available 24/7, someone who could track your spending, pay your bills on time, and even help you make smarter investment decisions. That's the power of AI in finance. AI-powered tools can automate tedious tasks, provide personalized insights, and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Think of it like having a financial advisor in your pocket, always looking out for your best interests. But how does it actually work? AI algorithms analyze your financial data, identify patterns, and make recommendations tailored to your unique situation. It's like having a financial expert crunching numbers and providing insights just for you. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or a tech-cautious boomer, AI finance tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. It's time to ditch the spreadsheets and embrace the future of finance. Ready to dive in? This is where the magic begins, where you take the first step towards revolutionizing your financial life with the power of AI. What you need to get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's make sure you have everything you need to embark on this exciting journey. Ready to hand over the reins of your financial life to AI? Great! This is a bold step, but one that promises to bring efficiency and insight into your financial management. Getting started with AI-powered finance is easier than you might think. You don't need to be a tech expert or a financial wizard to make the most of these tools. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a financial guru. These tools are designed with simplicity in mind, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. All you need are a few basic things: a computer or smartphone, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. These are the fundamental building blocks that will enable you to harness the power of AI in your financial life. And a willingness to learn. This is perhaps the most important requirement. Being open to new ideas and ready to explore new tools will set you on the path to success. Most AI finance tools are accessible through websites or mobile apps, making them incredibly convenient. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can manage your finances with ease, so you can manage your money on the go. Imagine being able to check your investments, track your spending, and plan your budget from anywhere in the world. That's the power of AI finance. AI tools rely on internet connectivity to access your financial data and provide real-time insights. This means you get up-to-the-minute information that can help you make informed decisions. Like any new tool, AI finance takes a little time to understand. But don't worry, there are plenty of resources available to help you get up to speed. It's designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll find that navigating these tools is a breeze, and will guide you through the process. From setting up your accounts to understanding the various features, we'll be with you every step of the way. You're ready to embark on your AI-powered financial journey. This is the beginning of a new chapter in your financial life, one that promises greater control and insight. In the next section, we'll walk you through setting up your AI finance tools. This includes everything from downloading the apps to linking your financial accounts, and putting them to work for you. You'll learn how to customize the tools to fit your unique financial situation, ensuring that you get the most out of this powerful technology. With AI finance, you're not just managing your money, you're optimizing it. You'll see your financial health improve as you make smarter, data-driven decisions. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started on this exciting journey together. The future of finance is here, and it's powered by AI. Future of you. Automating your finances, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the process of automating your finances using cutting-edge AI technology. This guide is designed to make managing your money easier and more efficient. Now that you have the basics covered, let's dive into the exciting part: setting up your AI-powered financial arsenal. With the right tools, you can streamline your financial management, save time, and even potentially increase your savings and investments. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. We'll break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Step 1. Choose your AI finance tools. The first step is to select the right AI-powered tools that will help you manage your finances. These tools can assist with budgeting, saving, investing, and even paying your bills automatically. There are numerous AI-powered apps and platforms available, each with its strengths. Some are better for budgeting, while others excel in investment management or bill payments. It's important to choose the ones that best fit your needs. Some popular options include Mint, Personal Capital, and Acorns. Mint is great for budgeting and tracking expenses. Personal Capital offers robust investment tracking and financial planning tools, and Acorns helps you invest spare change automatically. Do your research and select tools that align with your financial goals. Consider what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or growing your investment portfolio. Each tool has unique features that can help you reach your objectives. Step 2. Link your financial accounts. Once you've chosen your tools, the next step is to link your financial accounts. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Linking these accounts allows the AI to get a complete picture of your financial situation. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to your chosen AI platform. This process is usually secure and straightforward, with most platforms offering step-by-step instructions to guide you through it. This allows the AI to access and analyze your financial data securely. The AI can then provide insights, track your spending, and even suggest ways to save money or optimize your investments. Step 3. Set up automatic bill payments. One of the most convenient features of AI finance tools is the ability to automate bill payments. This ensures that your bills are paid on time, every time, without you having to lift a finger. Say goodbye to late fees. By setting up automatic bill payments, you can avoid the hassle of remembering due dates and the risk of incurring late fees. It's a simple way to keep your finances in order. AI can automatically pay your bills on time, ensuring you never miss a due date. Additionally, many apps offer features like payment reminders and the ability to track your payment history, so you always know where your money is going. You can set up payment reminders and track your payment history all in one place. This makes it easy to stay on top of your finances and ensure that all your bills are paid promptly. Step 4. Explore AI-powered investing. Investing can be intimidating, but AI-powered tools can make it much more accessible. These tools can analyze market trends, suggest investment opportunities, and even manage your portfolio for you. Let AI do the heavy lifting in the world of investing. With AI, you can make informed investment decisions based on data and analysis, rather than guesswork. This can help you grow your wealth more effectively and with less effort. Many AI-powered investment tools provide detailed reports and insights, helping you understand your investment performance and make adjustments as needed. This level of analysis can be invaluable for both novice and experienced investors. You can also set up investment goals and track your progress over time. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a dream vacation, AI tools can help you stay on track and reach your financial goals. By following these steps and leveraging AI-powered financial tools, you can take control of your finances and achieve greater financial stability and success. Remember, the key is to choose the right tools, link your accounts, automate your payments, and explore investment opportunities. With AI on your side, managing your money has never been easier. So, take the plunge and start automating your finances today. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you can save, and how much more confident you'll feel about your financial future. Happy automating!